And hello there, Ultraman fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the figurized standard Ultraman suit Zoffy action. Yes, so this is Shinjiro's father's suit in the Ultraman Netflix anime adaptation and also in the manga. So as you can see here in the box art, we see here the Zoffy suit in action. So almost same as the Ultraman suit, but with more what do you call this, spatium beats. And we can see here the Ultraman type B here, which is suited by Shinjiro. And off to the side we can see here Ultraman suit, Zoffy, front and back, what you can do with him. And of course it features that if you use the LED you can do that configuration. And yep, the LEDs being blue and red, and some action poses. Off to the other side, so some information about the suit, and we have here side by side Ultraman suit type B and Zoffy. Now let's see what's inside the box. So first off, we have one bag with all red and gray, another bag with gray and some dry transfers, red dry transfers, some silver parts, clear blue and black, a clear part here, more gray and more red, some more clear parts, red, and some more silver, more silver parts, and a large sticker sheet. More clear parts, and yeah, the beam effects, which is this, this beam is awfully similar from the Ultraman suit B type. And of course we have the instruction manual. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off we have the A1, which is all silver, like yes, because Ultraman and Zoffy is mostly covered with silver armor. So we have an A1, and of course there is an A2 for some parts of it, like for the duplicates. Then we have a B1, which is the red portion of Zoffy's armor. Pretty much, I think, similar to Ultraman suit type B. And of course, there's the B1, there's a small B2 for duplicate parts. We also have a C1, which contains the gun and some manipulators. And for some duplicates, we have some C2. And then we have a D1 and a D2 combined, wherein there is also a separate D2, which is this one, but instead of clear blue, it's just a clear white plastic. So it depends on you whether you want, if you're going to use an LED, whether to use the blue one or the clear part to eliminate that. So we have the D, and then we have a G1, which is some more parts. I'm not sure for where this is. G, and some H parts, which is H1. I think this is already Zoffy's sprue. Earlier, I think the A was still for Ultraman suit type B. And since there are some common parts and some parts that are not common, and it's here in the H1 and then H2. So H1 if you want to build the suit in action form, or some ab crunches, but for H2 if you want to use the LED. And then we have some I1s and an I2, again for just Zoffy suits, and J1 and J2, similarly just for Zoffy suit again, and the standard stand that comes with all figurized standards, and a dry transfer, and of course a big sale sticker. And there you have it, Ultraman fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Ultraman suit Zoffy Action, which is, you know, replicated from the Netflix anime series and from the manga. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.